Today I am in Estonia, reason being this little number right behind me, known as the KODA Loft. What you're looking at right now is just over 300 square feet. I think it's 307, in which they've got an open floor plan that, in my opinion, feels bigger than it is. And I think the reason for that is the height of this structure. Have a look up. This is 4 meters, or a little over 13 feet. And you can definitely feel it when you get inside the KODA Loft, which we will be doing in about 30 seconds. So as with everything from KODA, they've got the wood siding, they've got the full wall of windows, they've got the light strips for accents both inside and out, which I think look really cool. I could go on, but honestly, let's just get to it. All right, let's do this. The KODA Loft. I'm walking between two other KODAs. On my left, we've got the KODA Loft Extended, which is probably already on the channel by now. And if it isn't, it's going to be soon. So let's just have a look down the side here, because for this setting, what a perfect fit. And you've got the wood siding that just looks, I'm looking at that tree. I don't know how they fit it in between these trees. The crane operator must have been very skilled, because if you look on this side, just kind of tucked it into these trees. So kudos to whoever was operating the crane on this delivery. All right, so you've got the full wall of windows, and again, check out the height of this structure and notice when we get inside what it looks and feels like, because it is making a big difference to how the 307 square feet feels, trust me. I'm not going to go around the back. It looks like there's a bit of a trail there, so I take that back. We're going down and we're going to check out the back from the outside. Maybe I'll do a full loop around and then we will get into the interior. So bottom window here, that's into the kitchen. This is into the loft, and as you can see, there is a ladder up onto the roof, which I don't really know how that works. Maybe you have to go up the side, or maybe they took the rungs off because they don't want people going up there. Not entirely sure. Not really any of my business, to be honest. So this is going into the living room, almost floor to ceiling. Let's get inside and check this out. Here's the back of the KODA compact sauna. I'll give you a quick look in there, because I don't think this one is going to make it onto the channel. And I was told this right here is called a winter garden, which is kind of interesting. You go sit in there after you go in the sauna and just kind of take in the surroundings. Kind of a cool concept, if you ask me. So you've got the covered porch section right here. That way, if it's raining and you want to sit outside, you've got what looks to be about 4 feet to do that. Now, entering into the KODA Loft, the first thing I noticed is it smells nice in here. It smells like, I don't even know what, but I like it. So we've got the living room kitchen at the front, and the way they've got this one set up, you've got the couch on this side, and they've got the TV mounted on the other wall with a dining table right below. So what I'm feeling right now as I take the first steps into the KODA Loft is the heated floors. So coming standard from KODA is heated floors throughout the structure, and if you like warm feet, you're going to be a fan of that. Check out the kitchen cabinets. So instead of cutting that flat or having them horizontal, totally horizontal, they've got that at an angle, and the way the light kind of plays through the cracks does look really cool. Just kind of a unique detail in this kitchen. So let's look at the storage. They've got a bit of open shelving on this side, perfect for books. I haven't opened this yet. This one is set up as a rental right now. So this is a spot where they've got slippers, and going up, a place to hang jackets. I should mention that actually, if you go on the KODA website, they've got all the available KODAs to rent listed, and they're scattered throughout Europe. So if you're over here and wanted to try one of these things out, you can see the full list of them on the website. So lots of storage, and look at that. I'm in the kitchen. Let's see what they got going on here. Again, they've got the lighting under the cabinet, which looks awesome. Big sink over here. dishwasher there, the 2-burner cooktop beside it, and I'm noticing in this model, no oven, so you're cooking on the cooktop. There's the window that I showed you from the outside, and as I pan around this way, you'll see where you're going to be doing your eating. They've got this kind of wraparound peninsula with a mirror above it, like that. And that leads us over to the loft. Now, going up, a lot of loft access is through a ladder or on a ladder, but the lofts at KODA are accessed through stairs, which I know, the light's kind of looking funny in the camera, which I know is kind of a non-starter for a lot of people. People don't necessarily want to go up ladders, or some people don't. And they've taken that into consideration at KODA, and they've got the steps instead of ladders. So there's that strip LED light that kind of goes throughout inside and outside the home that looks awesome. And the loft is open down to the living room. The reason they're able to have such a comfortable loft height, I'll go back and have a look at that. Like, you're not going to be on your full hands and knees. You can kind of just crouch going in here. Again, is because of the interior ceiling height. Now, I think the structure is 4 meters, which works out to around 13, a little over 13 feet. Not sure on the interior ceiling height, but you can definitely feel it when you're in here. For a little over 300 square feet, it feels a lot bigger than that to me. All right, let's duck inside the bathroom, see what they got going here. Toilet on this wall mounted with the double flusher. You've got the shelf up above, tile walls all the way around in here. They've got the mirror across this wall and a place to hang whatever you want there. They've got the sink right beside the shower and glass door on the shower with a little bit of a spot. Oh, I'm showing up all over the place. Let's get out of here. A little bit of a spot to hang your shampoo or whatever you want to put into the shower. Now, this one again is set up as a vacation rental, so I'm guessing that this is a pull-out couch. Not 100% sure, not going to touch it because I was told they've got people coming here this afternoon and not to make a mess. So I'm going to get out of here before I mess anything up. Before I do that, let's take a peek at the full wall of windows on the front. If you've got any kind of view, this is going to be a great way to take advantage of it. Out here, they've got the hot tub. Didn't bring my shorts, don't have time anyway, but yeah, that is the KODA Loft. A little over 300 square feet, so let's talk about the pricing, shall we? Here's a look at the floor plan, which is always the perfect opportunity to hover over the subscribe button and then click down. It's free 99 and does help out the channel a lot, which is greatly appreciated. Big thank you to everyone that decided to watch this video. Now, let's get to the pricing. There you have it, folks, the KODA Loft from Kodasema. I hope you like it. As far as pricing goes, they've got a starting price of 81,900 euros, and they go up from there just depending on what options are selected. So 81,900 to start. Depending on what you pick, you're going up from there. That is it for me here in Estonia. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next